Dear Gedhun Choekyi Nyima, I don't think you will receive this letter. I know that you're being watched, monitored, and controlled 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But deep down, I have this stubborn hope that maybe you will hear us. No matter what you've been told by your minders and tutors appointed by Beijing, there is a world out here where people are searching for you. The Chinese Empire stands on a foundation of lies, and these lies are falling apart. We know that the forces that keep you imprisoned are running out of time. As the world moves from darkness to light, from dictatorship to democracy, we can see the fog clearing up on the horizon. The day is not far when you will join the real world to live a free life, to take your rightful seat at Tashi Limpo Monastery, sending you wishes and prayers on your 27th birthday. May you celebrate your next birthday in freedom. Tibet will be free. Most sincerely yours, Sijin, Students for a Free Tibet.